Good morning class. Today we will start a new topic here, that is conversion from lower to higher units of capacity. This topic is under measures of capacity that we were studying. We have already studied how to convert higher units to lower units of capacity. Now today we are going to study about how to convert lower units of capacity to higher units. First of all, we will draw a table here like this. As I told you how to draw the table. First of all, write the standard unit, that is liter, in the center. Then you will write the higher units on the left hand side and the lower units on the right hand side. And then one rule I told you, that whenever in this table we move from right hand side to left hand side, that is from smaller units to greater units, then we always do division. Okay, so now in this case also we are going from right hand side to left hand side, that is from lower units to higher units. That means we have to do division here. So, and how? By counting the number of zeros that are coming in between. Okay, so suppose there is an example, you have to convert 11,000 ml into liters. So just see, between ml and liters, how many tens are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 tens are there, that means 3 zeros. So that 3 zeros comprises of 1,000. So that means we will divide 11,000 ml by 1000 to convert it into liters. So I am showing you the solution how to do. This is the method to do. 11,000 divided by 1000 liter, that means how much is left? 11 liter is the answer. Now moving on to next question. Question number 2 of the exercise. Suppose it is given 2006 ml, you have to convert into liter and milliliter. Question is 2006 milliliter and you have to convert this into liter and milliliter. So what you will do, you will first of all break it into two parts. How? One in the part of 1000. Why? Because you have to divide by 1000 to convert milliliter into liter, and one whatever is left after that. Now you can break this as 2000 plus 6 milliliter. You can write it like this. Just look here on the board now. You can write 2006 as 2000 plus 6 ml. Now to convert it into liter and milliliter, we will divide this 2000 by 1000 to convert it into liters. So 2000 divided by 1000 plus 6 ml will remain as it is. So this will become how much? 2 liter and 6 ml will remain as it is. So this is the method about how you have to convert certain quantity into two quantities. Okay, liter and milliliter. Now one more example I am showing you. Suppose it is given question number 4, exercise question number 4, F part. Last one I am showing you so that you can understand it well. 10,000 10 ml, you have to convert this into liters. Again the same way, what I told, ml is given, so that means you have to convert milliliter into liter, that means you have to divide by 1000. So you have to break it in the form of 1000 and the other number. So how can you break? This is becoming 10,000 plus 10 ml. You can break like this. Now 10,000 divided by 1000 liter plus 10 ml. 10,000 divided by 1000 will become 10 liters and 10 ml is the final answer of this question. You can look here on the board. Any problem, any query you can ask me personally. Clear? I hope now this is clear to you all how to convert lower units of capacity into higher units of capacity. Thank you, class.